Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to automatically suspend inactive users in Google Workspace using Fanatical Foresight. Manually finding and suspending inactive accounts can be time-consuming and error-prone. Automating this process helps admins boost security, make better use of licenses, and stay compliant with company policies. By automatically suspending inactive users in Google Workspace, admins can efficiently manage inactive or temporary accounts, optimize license usage, and enhance security. That's where Fanatical Foresight comes in, a powerful automation tool designed specifically for Google Workspace. It enables administrators to effortlessly automate the suspension of inactive users, ensuring efficient account management and compliance. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into Fanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Click the Automatically Suspend Inactive Users in Google Workspace template. In the Automatically Suspend Inactive Users in Google Workspace page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Automatically Suspend Inactive Users in Google Workspace will display. In the Inactivity Timeout field, select the exact number of days after which the user should be automatically suspended based on inactivity. Check the checkbox if you want to include existing inactive users. Click Next. In the Suspend User action, in the primary email, the user's email from the user turned inactive trigger will be automatically filled in, so no action is needed from you. Click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. To ensure that your rule setup automates as expected, it's essential to conduct a simple test. The following instructions will guide you through how Fanatical Foresight automates the suspension of inactive users in Google Workspace. For demonstration purposes, our test domain has 3 user accounts who haven't signed into Google account for exactly 29 days. Go back to Fanatical Foresight. Wait up to 24 hours for these 3 user accounts to turn inactive. You will receive a notification in the top right of Fanatical Foresight. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task Fanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Sign into your Google Admin Console and verify if the user has been suspended by the rule. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.